Now that the snow is melting, all of the roof damage done by the wet and cold over the winter is rearing its ugly head. Let's get you equipped with the right tool to get it fixed. Check out the two-way shingle remover from Garant. Many people resort to repurposing tools not really meant for the job, such as shovels and hammers, which can make the process a lot more strenuous and time-consuming. With this shingle remover, however, simply lay the heavy-duty steel head flat against the roof. The angle design not only gives you an easy pry bar action, but it prevents knocking your knuckles on the roof or ripping your gloves against the nails. There is 3 angle channels that help you guide shingles out of the way, and the Y-shaped teeth get nearly every piece out on the first pass. And as the name suggests, this tool can run in both directions, so you can either shovel the shingles forward or rip them out towards yourself. This tool is a no-brainer for any roofers, handymen, or even farmers to pick up and add to their arsenal. If you still weren't convinced, Garant is a homegrown Canadian company, meaning not only are you supporting the true North strong and free, but you can rest assured that this tool was built with Canadian climates and workers in mind. So let's get those shingles off and out of here in record time with this week's featured product, the two-way shingle remover from Garant. What's your go-to method for shingle removal? Share it in the comments section and be sure to follow the channel so you can catch all the latest featured products. Have a great Canadian day.